warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone, welcome to our presentation session. Today our group will present the topic entitled Urban Farming and its relation to green open space. Before we begin the presentation, let me introduce our group members. My name is Kalasya Firmansyah and I will act as a moderator for this presentation. The first presenter is
Alia Nur Samsiah,
the second presenter is
Raisa Hardia Putri,
the third presenter is
Intan Purnama Julia Hesti.
Without further ado, I would like to invite the first presenter, Alia, to explain the background of this topic, research objective and respondent profile.
Thank you, moderator. In the background section, this research is based on several issues: urban food area security, limited land due to urbanization, environmental quality is declining, urban farming as a sustainable solution. Next, in the objective section, this research aims to understand the role of urban farming, analyze the relationship with the green open space, compare rural and urban farming, identify challenge and solution. For the respondent profile, this research includes two basic agronomy lectures as expert informants who have theoretical and practical knowledge in agriculture, namely Mr. Yudi Ari Priyanto and Ms. Siti Nur Hidayah. In addition, this research also includes three agriculture students who understand the concept of urban farming, namely Ahnab Syakoni, Rizky Ramdhani, and Kayla Tabina Putri. That's all for me. Thank you, and I would like to hand back the moderator.
Thank you, Alia, for the explanation. Next, I would like to invite Raisa to continue the presentation by explaining the interview question and the mind finding number first and number second.
Thank you, moderator. Interview question. First, the role of urban farming in food security and environmental quality. Second, the relationship between green open space and urban farming development. Third, the comparison between urban farming and rural agriculture in supporting food security. Fourth, the influence of government support and policy on sustainable urban farming development. Next, main findings. First, urban farming support food security, environmental quality, efficient land use, sustainable food source, and community awareness. Second, urban farming is efficient for limited urban land and uses modern method, while rural agriculture has greater production capacity. That's all for me. Thank you, and I would like to hand it back to the moderator.
Thank you, Raisa, for the explanation. Now, I would like to invite Intan to continue the presentation by explaining the mind finding number third and number fourth, as well as the explanation of findings.
Here, I will continue the discussion regarding the third main finding is green open space support urban farming through cultivation areas and alternative farming methods. Last but not least, urban farming is constrained by weak policies, limited support, low education and technology adoption, and small production scale. Next, the first point is that urban farming supports food security and the environment. This means that growing food in urban areas does not only help meet the food needs of the community, but also contributes to a greener and healthier city environment. The second point is that urban farming depends on the availability of green open space. Without enough open land in the city, urban farming simply cannot take place. So the existence of parks, vacant lots, and other green areas is very important to make this possible. Next, the third point is that urban farming is efficient but has low production. In other words, the method used are already quite good and do not waste a lot of resources, but the amount of food produced is still not enough to make a big impact at scale. Next, last but not least, urban farming is limited by policy and support. Even though the potential is there, without strong government policies, proper funding, and access to technology and education, it is very hard for urban farming to grow and develop further. That's all for me. I will hand it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Intan, for the informative explanation. Now I will present the conclusion of this research. Based on the conclusion, urban farming supports food security and environmental sustainability in urban areas. However, its contribution is still lower compared to rural farming. Urban farming is considered effective for limited land areas, but its development is still limited by policy, production scale, and community support. That's all from me. Thank you. Before we conclude this presentation, we would like to show a brief documentation of our group during the interview process conducted for this research. Thank you to our presenter for the informative explanation that concludes today's presentation session.
Thank you for your attention and participation. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.